So the first letter W, which is short, long. Sorry, I need to activate it first. So I'll double tap. I will tap 3 times on N per tap. So then we have short, long, long. That is for W. The next code is A, which is short, then long. Then the next letter is L. So we have for L, we have short, long, short, 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 long, short, short. So I'm going to repeat it again. Short, long, short, short. Okay, the next letter is letter E, which is just short. And the last letter is letter T, which is a single long. So we just unlocked the daily cipher for today. So thank you. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you're not part of my group yet, please just join my group so that we can actually unlock this together every day. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all.